The difference between a billionaire and a homeless person? One bad week. I owned every building in this city. Then one morning, without warning, the lights went out forever. Money doesn't disappear. It just transfers to someone who knows how to keep it. One notification, then another, then silence. My money got up and quietly left the room.
No.
But sadly, zeros don't care how rich you were yesterday.
Please, no.
I refreshed that screen 47 times. Zeros don't lie. Zeros are final.
Hello? Is this
I sat there until dark.
No?
I called my banker,
I'm sorry.
my lawyer, my
Hi,
friends.
Is this rare?
Voicemail.
Is there? Oh,
Every single one. But
sorry,
nah,
wrong number.
my money left first. Then my people left even faster than the money. I didn't cry when they changed the locks. I just stood there with a suitcase, 50 rooms, a door that wouldn't open. That was the moment I broke. I walked past my old office building today. New name on the door, new people inside. To them, I'm just another stranger on the sidewalk. Well, it's my first night without a roof. That black card in my pocket used to open any door in the world. Now it can't even buy me a cup of coffee. A stranger gave me a sandwich today. No reason, no questions. No, what can you do for me? Just food. I never even learned her name. I applied to stock shelves at a small grocery store, of course, minimum wage. The manager looked at me like I was wearing a costume from another life. First paycheck, minimum wage. I used to make this much in a few seconds from interest.
Okay. One for rent.
Now every dollar has sweat
one
in
for
it.
Food.
Feels real for the first time.
And the rest.
That black card,
Finally.
the one that used to buy buildings, is now holding my tent to the ground. I pushed it into the dirt myself. No ceremony, just necessary. Sitting by that fire, eating soup that cost nothing,
Take some.
sharing it with strangers.
Thanks.
I felt fuller than any private chef meal I ever had in that penthouse.
Finally, some.
You know, these are the same hands that signed billion-dollar deals, now hold a chipped cup of water. Same hands, same person, different life. But I'm still here. I'm still breathing. A new person came to the campground today. Lost, scared.
I'm completely
I helped them set up their tent.
Just hit it right.
Didn't tell them who I used to be. Didn't matter.
This is great. Thank
I sleep in a tent now, but I'm not broken. The tent is mine. I put it up with my own hands. That's more than I ever truly owned before.